Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to make collapsible felt bit bowls. These bowls are great for travel. They look and work well and are cheap to make. They make cleanup easier, and you can make them any size you want. I made a large one for a travel dice tray. Let's take a look at the tools and supplies we'll need. Obviously, we need pieces of felt. It's easiest to find small felt pieces at a craft store or a fabric store. The key is to get the thicker felt, as it holds up better. You can see an example of this in the gray felt on the left. There's also more stiff felt, which can work, but I didn't prefer it. You'll need a ruler, I prefer a metal one, to measure and make straight cuts. You need something like this rotary cutter to cut the felt. Finally, you need snaps and a snap press or pliers. If it's your first time, find a starter set with all the tools and plastic snaps included, like this set from KASNAPS. All right, let's get ready to build our bowls. I'm making a 5-inch by 5-inch square bowl, but you can play around with the size that works best for you. Measure out 5 inches of your felt and use your metal ruler to hold a straight edge. Then use your cutting roller to cut off the excess. Turn and measure again to make another cut and create your square. The next step is to make the holes where the center of the snaps will go. I place the buttons very close to the corners to make a round and shallow bowl, about 7 or 8 millimeters from one edge and 15 millimeters from the other edge. Measure the location of the snap and poke a hole through the felt where the center of the snap should go. Then, measure and poke a hole for the other side in the same corner. Next, we will attach the snap to the corner of the felt. Get 2 backs and a pair of the snap parts. Make sure you don't have 2 of the same part or else the snap won't work. Poke the back through the pre-made holes from step 2 until the sharp point is all the way through. Place a snap part on it and hold it in place. Now use the snap pliers to squish the snap into place. The squishy silicone side of the pliers should align with the pointy part of the snap backs. Now repeat for the other side of the snap. And test out your snap and see how it works. Continue with steps 2 and 3 for each corner. Once you finish with your last corner, you're done. Enjoy your new bit bowl, puzzle bowl, or whatever bowl. Try out different sizes to make travel dice trays or fun shapes. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you create anything, please share it with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!